We are making curly fries. Use 3 to 4 large russets. We'll soak these curls for 20 to 30 minutes to ensure they stay crispy. Now for the blanch. Boil them for about 3 minutes. This stops them from browning and gives us that perfect texture inside. Then rinse and pat them bone dry. Time for the secret batter. We start with flour and a lot of paprika for that signature spicy red color and flavor. Next, we add garlic and onion powder, cayenne for a kick, and black pepper. Whisk in the water until you have a smooth, pourable batter. Perfect! Now for the golden fry. Heat the oil to 350-375 degrees and fry in small batches for about 4 to 5 minutes until they're perfectly golden and crispy. Remove the fries, drain them well, and serve hot with a final pinch of salt and ketchup. Perfect curly fries at home, and of course, a little treat for my best friend. Class dismissed.